this project was quite challenging in nature because what we were trying to show here is to demonstrate how digital transformation can be done for large scale manufacturers. Because it's not that difficult to connect one, two, or five machines to the network. But if we are talking about hundreds of machines which are serving different purposes, this is when it becomes challenging. So the first and main challenge we faced was the network expansion. Because NMIS is part of the university, we had some IT-related restrictions that, for example, our network is not internet-facing. And so it turned out that few manufacturers in the UK, they have similar issues to us. So that was quite important to showcase how we can overcome these challenges. So network was the first. The second challenge was our machines are quite different. They're talking different communication protocols. Some machines are new, some machines are old. And in this project, we managed to connect every single one of them into the common infrastructure that creates this digital environment for manufacturing operations.